If you've ever bought pre-ground meat and wondered how fresh it really is, or wish you could make homemade burgers or sausages without paying butcher prices, you're not alone. The good news is that you don't need a commercial kitchen to grind fresh meat at home anymore. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Yabano Electric Meat Grinder, a countertop meat grinder designed for home cooks, meal preppers, hunters, and anyone who wants more control over the quality and texture of their ground meat. It also includes sausage and cub attachments, making it more than just a basic meat grinder. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One thing that immediately stands out is its compact, modern design. The blue finish gives it a unique look compared to the typical silver or black meat grinders on the market, making it a nice addition to most kitchens. It doesn't feel oversized or intimidating. So even if you've never owned a meat grinder before, it's approachable and easy to fit on a countertop or store in a cabinet. The overall construction feels sturdy where it matters most. The stainless steel grinding plates inspire confidence, while the locking mechanism keeps everything securely in place during operation. Instead of feeling like a disposable kitchen gadget, this is the kind of appliance that seems built for regular weekend cooking sessions. It's also designed so the grinding components can be removed easily, making cleanup much less frustrating than many people expect. Using the grinder is refreshingly simple. After assembling the grinding head, you choose between the two included stainless steel grinding plates, depending on the texture you want. A finer plate works well for meatballs, tacos, or breakfast sausage, while the coarser plate is ideal for burgers, chili, or homemade meat sauces. This flexibility lets you customize your recipes instead of settling for whatever texture comes from store-bought ground meat. Performance is where this grinder really earns its place in the kitchen. Its powerful motor handles larger batches much faster than manual grinders, making meal prep significantly easier. If you're preparing several pounds of beef, chicken, pork, or venison for the freezer, you'll appreciate how quickly it processes fresh meat without requiring constant effort. For families who buy meat in bulk, this can save both time and money over the long run. One feature that deserves extra attention is the reverse function. Anyone who has used a meat grinder knows that tendons or connective tissue can occasionally get caught inside the auger. Instead of taking the entire machine apart, you can simply activate reverse to help clear the blockage. It's a small feature, but one that makes everyday use much more convenient. The included sausage and cub attachments also add versatility. Making homemade sausage might sound complicated, but having the right accessories removes much of the guesswork. Whether you're experimenting with breakfast sausage, Italian sausage, or traditional kubbe recipes, having these tools included means you won't need to purchase extra attachments separately. Noise levels are about what you'd expect from an electric meat grinder. It's certainly noticeable while running, but since grinding usually takes only a few minutes, it never feels excessive or disruptive. More importantly, the machine remains stable during operation, which gives it a reassuring feel when processing larger batches. In terms of maintenance, cleanup is fairly straightforward. The removable cutting components wash easily by hand, and because the parts come apart without much effort, you can clean every area that comes into contact with food. Just keep in mind that these components are intended for hand washing rather than the dishwasher, which helps preserve their finish and performance over time. Overall, the Yabano Electric Meat Grinder is a smart choice for anyone who wants fresher ingredients, better control over food quality, and the flexibility to make everything from burgers to homemade sausage. If you're interested in checking today's latest price, you'll find the direct link in the description below. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next review.